So this is a human sequence diagram for a library management system, specifically showing the process of borrowing and returning a book. The important thing about a sequence diagram is that it shows what happens first, what happens next, and which object communicates with which object. What are the objects or actors? At the top, we have these participants, that is member, book, reservation, library, book, copy, loan. They are called lifetimes. The vertical dashed line below them represents their existence during interaction, meaning member, person borrowing, returning the book, book information about the book, reservation stores reservation information, library handles issuing and returning book, book copy represents the physical copy of the book, loan stores borrowing or loan transaction. The aim and state of the process is the diagram starts with library management system to borrow and return book. The process has two major parts: borrowing, check availability, reserve book, request issue book, update book status, and create loan. Returning is the returning book, calculate fine, update status to available. Return confirmation. Step 1 is check the book availability. Step 2 is reserve the book. Step 3 is create reservation. Step 4 is request to issue the book. Step 4 5 is library issues the book. And 5.1 is update the book copy status. 5.2 is book is handed over. 5.3 is create loan. And when the time passes. Step 6 is when the member returns the book. Step 7 is we calculate the fine. Step 8 is return the book, and step 9 is to update book copy status. Result the confirmation what do the arrows mean. And one of the blue vertical bars is the thin blue rectangles on the lifelines are called activation bars or execution specifications. They indicate that an object or actor is actively performing an operation. For example, when the member calls check availability, the book becomes active while processing the wishes. Complete story of the diagram can understand the entire diagram in a real life story and the member wants to borrow a book. The humans even have a borrow and return book process in a library management system that shows the chronological sequence of messages distinct between member, book, reservation, library, book, copy, and loan objects.